Hello everyone, welcome to the video. Today we are going to share some of the different painting ideas with you. So let's begin our first one. Here I'm going to show you how we can make a giraffe using some of the watercolors. This activity is best suitable for the kids between the age group of 9 to 10. You may require a brush, watercolor and some of the artificial eyes for this one. This activity is very simple and easy. Just give it a try. You can just practice it twice or thrice so that you can just trace it down perfectly. Give it a try. It looks so beautiful at the end. Let's move towards our another activity. For this you may require sponge because we are just making these lines using the sponge. I have made use of some bright colors. You can use any other color. These will represent some of the cogs. This activity is very easy. Modeling clay is also required for this one. Let's move towards our another project. Here I am taking some of the sheets and then I am just inserting them one above the other. These will represent a chick. I have used this yellow colored sheets. You can use orange color also, and the egg is to be represented using the white one. Repeat the same procedure and just fix them over this cardboard sheet. This looks so perfect and nice. You may require earbud also. Let's move towards our another project. For this you may require bubble wrapper sheet and you just have to cut it down according to the shape that's somewhat similar to the moon. It will actually represent a fish. This activity is again very simple. It's best suitable for the kids between the age group of 7 to 8. You may require watercolors, some markers also. We will next move towards our another project. We are going to show you how we can make this vegetable. For this you have to cut down the wrapper sheet, that's a bubbling wrapper, according to the shape of this vegetable. Then you have to fill it with some of the colors, add more features like the eyes and the lips area so that it will look more good and fascinating. We will now move towards our another project. Here we are going to show you how we can make these carrots using the bubble wrapper sheet. This activity is again very simple. You may require earbuds for adding other details in the background, and a marker is also required. Let's move towards our another project. This is somewhat that is to be inspired using the oil pastel colors, and I have used the two different shades, that's the pink and the white one, because we are going to show you how we can make a dragon fruit. For the seeds in between I am making use of this black colored oil pastel, and then you just have to decorate the spikes. Let's move towards our another project. Here I am taking some of the colors and using the earbud I am just blending them in somewhat circular shape. These will actually represent some of the beautiful flowers of this bouquet. This activity is best suitable for the kids between the age group of 11 to 12 years. Let's move towards the another project. Here I am going to show you using the sponge painting we can create some beautiful pumpkins. This one is very easy, it's very less time consuming, best suitable for the kids between the age group of 8 to 9. You can just pause the video so that you don't get confused at any particular step. Let's move further. This one you may think that it's a difficult one, but this is not. It's a little bit time consuming because minute detailing is needed to be here so that it will look more and more perfect. Shading is done here and you may require brushes for making them look perfect.